Assalamualaikum respected panelists and everyone present. My name is ALIFF ADRUS alias MADON, and I am presenting my final year project proposal titled Antibacterial Activity of Clitoria ternatea leaf extract against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei. My supervisor for this project is Dr. MASLINDA MUSA. So this presentation begins with the research background and problem statement, followed by the research questions, objectives, and significance of the study. Key points from the literature review, methodology, and expected outcomes are then highlighted before concluding with the project timeline. Clitoria ternatea, or butterfly pea, is known for its antibacterial properties as supported by Shigella et al. In 2020. However, antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, remains a global crisis due to the overuse of antibiotic, as Salam et al. In 2023 discussed. Addressing this challenge requires sustainable solutions, such as natural antimicrobial agents with novel mechanism of action. The urgent need for novel, naturally derived antimicrobials provide the foundation for this research, as this study aims to address that gap specifically against two bacteria, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei. Well, not only that, despite the extensive research on the flowers of the Clitoria ternatea, the antimicrobial potential of its leaves remains underexplored. The core question of this research are: does the Methanolic extract of C. ternatea leaf exhibit antibacterial activity against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei? What are the minimum inhibitory concentration MIC and the minimum bactericidal concentration MBC of the extract? And of course, the two main objectives would be to test the antibacterial activity of C. ternatea leaf extract against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei, and to determine the MIC and the MBC of the extract for this bacteria. The significance of this study lies in focusing on the underutilized abundant leaf of C. ternatea. This approach maximizes the plant's potential by addressing the wastage of the otherwise discarded leaf, while also addressing gap in existing research by testing the extract on bacteria not previously studied. Ultimately, the finding could contribute to the development of sustainable natural alternative to combat AMR. Previous studies have demonstrated the antimicrobial potential of C. ternatea, particularly its Methanolic leaf extract, through the widely used disc diffusion method. Research by Das et al. In 2020 showed that the leaf extract exhibit inhibitory activity against several common human pathogens. This evidence formed the basis for further exploration, particularly against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei, which are the focus of this study. Extensive research highlights that the antimicrobial effects of C. ternatea are strongly linked to its abundance of bioactive compounds. Both the leaves and the flowers of C. ternatea are rich in key phytochemicals, as noted by Chakraborty et al. In 2017. This includes flavonoids, phenols, tannin, terpenoids, and saponins. This evidence underscores the significance of exploring C. ternatea leaves as a natural alternative in addressing AMR. The methodology is designed to achieve two main objectives. First is to test antibacterial activity. So after preparation of media and revival of bacteria samples provided by UITM, the bacteria will undergo morphological characterization, gram staining, and biochemical tests to confirm purity. The agar-well diffusion method then will be used to evaluate the antibacterial activity of Methanolic C. ternatea leaf extract. Second method, which is to determine the MIC and MBC. The MIC is determined using the broth micro-dilution method by identifying the lowest concentration of the extract that inhibits visible bacterial growth. To determine the MBC, samples with no visible growth from the MIC wells are then transferred to fresh MHA agar plates for confirmation of the extract's bactericidal effects. The study is expected to confirm the antibacterial activity of C. ternatea leaf extract against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Shigella sonnei. Additionally, it is also aimed to determine the MIC and MBC values, providing insights into the extract potency and potential applications. This is the project timeline and reference used. Thank you all for your attention, and I welcome any questions.